Okay, I ordered a couch. Actually, I ordered a couple of couches from Wayfair, a website online, who just happened to pop up on my IG feed. So I was looking for some new furniture. So I ordered it online. I ordered one long couch, a chase, right? Forget the messages. Purchased this home, so a chase and a love seat, right? So it's two blues and it's supposed to be a gray couch. You kind of go with the walls a little bit. All right. So I ordered one couch, but yet I have two pieces. All right. So did Wayfair send me an extra couch, or did they mess up on the order and sent a gray one and a purple one? I'll tell you about that later on, but let's get started. So, first impressions after the op-up. It is, I had an issue that it might not be gray and it'd be purple. Oh, I'm ripping, I just ripped it because it's actually the bottom of the couch, I believe. What am I doing? Oh, that's just top, that's not the bottom. So, okay, it is gray. All right, this may be interesting. Let me bust this out and I'll get back to you. So it turns out Wayfair did not send me two couches. They sent me one couch and two boxes. Yeah, those grays are pretty off. I'm gonna have to throw some, like all my blues are off. I guess it's all in my, excuse my red shoes. I guess it's all in the throw pillows I put down. All right, so one more box left, and I'm gonna set up so we can put it together. The box is broke open. This is the back piece. That's the actual couch part. One side of the arm and the other side of the arm. All right, I'm gonna set up so you can see me put this together in slow motion. I must say from the start, it came in two different boxes, fairly large, but it was very well stored. So far, you know, I've been satisfied with Wayfair furniture. Again, please excuse the mess, I'm just moving in. But so far it's been dope, so stay tuned. Here's my Wayfair couch. It's a Love 3-seater. It was $279. Came 2 boxes. The hardest part to me was using the Allen key to secure the sides for extra security for the sides and the back. It's pretty comfortable. Set it on a couple of times. It didn't really leave any indents into the couch, so that's awesome. End of the day, man, Wayfair is a pretty good website in my eyes. Leave a comment if you think otherwise. If not, have a great one. I may drop a link to this couch. I don't know. Actually, it may even be on Amazon. All right. This is how I tried it at home. Later.